Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add text in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first let's create a new design from here. Let's go with a YouTube thumbnail, for example. Now that we are in this designing step, to add a text in Canva is simple. Just hover with your mouse over this text icon. You will see this new panel. Now, if you want to add a heading text, just drag and move it like that. If you want to add a subheading or a medium small text, you can use a subheading. And if you want to add a body text, just drag and move this small text element. Now, to edit this text, just double click it with your mouse. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. To edit this text, just double click it with your mouse. You can edit text. If you want to make your text bigger, just select the text element and resize it from this corner, just like that. If your text uses two lines like this text element, just take it by the side and resize it just like that. If you want to edit this text font, just double click it like that. Select the font from this list. Let's go with this Fredoka template and click on it. And just like that, your text style is edited. If you want to edit the text color, just select the part you want to edit the color for and click on this text color icon and select your color from this list. And this is how to add text in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.